Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McKeown, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Alright guys, so today's video is going to feature a full walkthrough tour of an absolutely beautiful Heartland 1. The Heartland 1 is 1,548 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. It can be optioned in for 4 bedrooms. We'll talk about that as we go. Sit back and enjoy the show. I want to thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you are interested or you know anybody that is interested in building their dream home, please email me directly at shields@nccustomodulars.com. That's shields@nccustomodulars.com. Thank you guys. Enjoy the show. Today I am in Orange County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through this absolutely beautiful Heartland 1, okay guys? So as you can see, this customer did go with the vertical vinyl siding on this front elevation. They coupled that with an absolutely beautiful front porch. This is an optional porch. It is a 6x20 double gable front porch. All I mean by that is it's a gable front porch. The double gable part is just kind of describing the detail within that, you know, that main triangle there, the gable itself. You got the kind of the vaulted ceiling there. Very similar to the general idea that we show the porch on our new model, okay? You're seeing the included split face block for the foundation material. That is included in your base price. I love the black gutters and downspouts. They are the same price as white as well. So if you want to do that, let us know. You are not seeing a full foundation under that porch. Just know you can obviously option in the full foundation. You can do different materials for the pickets and posts. Today you're seeing pressure treated lumber, 6x6 posts, all that good stuff. These little vaulted areas make the porch feel bigger, for sure. All right, so let's get in here and take a look. This is, like I said on the intro there, this is the 3-bed, 2-bath Heartland 1. You've seen the 4-bedroom version. You've seen about every version at this point. So what that means is you're gonna see a utility room off the side today and a huge walk-in pantry. When you go to the 4-bedroom, that changes. You can see all that on our website as well. But as you can see, you are greeted by a really nice sized living room. Got the double window there, letting in that light. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. Recessed lights and all that, of course, is included. You can elect to drop this header down like you see here or have it smooth across. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you have that conversation with me. Check out this kitchen. So you are seeing a solid surface countertop today. This is granite, and it is an absolutely beautiful color of granite. All of our islands are going to have the pot and pan drawer there. Soft close, full extension cabinets. All that good stuff. As you can see, this customer is bringing in their own appliances. We will obviously talk about the appliances. That is usually a pretty long conversation, so we'll have that talk. Here's that pantry right off the kitchen. There's your appliance shelf. If you elect to stay with a range hood and don't want to put the microwave on the countertop, you can do something like that. Your water heater's directly off of this pantry, easy access, nice and convenient. And then I wanted to talk about, oh yeah, the third door there. So I talk about in a lot of the videos, I want you to think of the utility room door and that front door that we came in as your included doors. And then you need to talk about if you want to option in the door here on the Heartland plans, okay? So what would be standard there is a window, and then you can option in any form of double door. Now, you're probably wondering what's going on there. This county allowed us to just brace this shut until this customer built a deck. I wouldn't say most counties allow it. Some do, some don't. Most counties are going to make us have something there, but as you can see, not all do require us to do that. So we'll have that conversation as well. Just a lovely main space. Nice and open, easy to entertain. All of our windows come cased out, of course. I know some of these, other options do not include little things like that we take for granted. All of our outlets are going to be studded. They're not just butterflied in, so you're not going to yank the outlet out of the wall. Let's start with the master bedroom today. You'll notice the LVP through all the rooms today. This particular color is the fawn color. It's one of the 5 included colors that Nationwide offers. These are the Nationwide included 2-panel doors, included hardware, casing, all that good stuff, okay? And then this bathroom is the original or included layout. Okay, so you have a linen closet, the 60-inch shower, a double sink, the window. Now, that is the only size shower that does not include ceramic tile, so you would need to let me know that you want ceramic tile. It is the only shower that does not include the rain head. So as you can see, this customer added the rain head, did not elect to add the tile. He did, however, add the transom window. So that is about a $450 window there that you can option in. That window is not included in any of the size showers. The rain head, though, is included on those larger showers. So just remember that. This is a really nice linen closet if you stay with this particular layout. If you go with the bigger shower or tub, this obviously goes away. And then we work in a linen cabinet in that area. When you do that, you do lose this window. But there's other ways to work in natural light. So we'll talk about that as well. Okay, let's go back across that main space and check out the spare bedrooms. Bath 2. Bedroom 2. Oh, sorry. He ran the LVP just in the master bedroom and left carpet in the spare bedrooms. I've heard of people putting just flooring in whatever room's going to be their office if they're using a bedroom as an office, so their desk floor or a desk chair can roll around a little bit better. Just thinking about what suits you, so definitely want to think about those things. And this is that last bedroom. Our sales center is located in Burlington at 2450 North Church Street. Our office number is 336-226-9066. If you call based on this video, please ask to speak with me, Shields. I may answer, I may not. If I do not, please ask to speak with me. Here's that nice side-loading utility room. My wife makes fun of me how much I love utility rooms, but I really do. So you have this side-loading exit here, going right into the driveway. Come in, washer and dryer. You can do sinks and freezers and hall trees and optional windows right there, all kinds of stuff. So this is included with the Nationwide homes of your washer and dryers. Really nice touch that they include. Notice the dryer vents are recessed. So what I mean by that is you can push the washer and dryer all the way up against the wall. Some places, again, don't include little things like that. You did see this stainless steel farmhouse sink today. That is an optional sink. It's not terribly expensive, call it 500 bucks. With the solid surface tops, it's going to be undermounted. If you stay with a laminate Formica, which is included, it's going to be overmounted, okay? This home is 27 foot, 8 inches deep across, 56 feet deep. We've toured and talked about the XLs. All that is taking, say, the Heartland 1 or Heartland 2 and adding 4 feet in depth. So this Heartland 1 XL comes in at like 1,772 square feet when the Heartland 1 is 1,548. All that is we have stretched it 4 feet front to back. You can do that with any of the plans. You could just stretch one side or the other. So as you know, this home is basically split down the middle, 1 module, 2 module, a site-built front porch. I could just stretch the front, just stretch the back if you just want to get the kitchen bigger or whatever. Another thing I like to do with this kitchen sometimes is you can add another, what I call pantry cabinet right here. Another way to kind of cap it off nicely. You've seen different options with range hoods. There are different range hoods now. There's a black one, there's a black sink now. So definitely check out those options on the downloadable brochure on each floor plan. Okay, guys? All right, thank you. And again, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And again, I really do want to thank you for watching this video. And if you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And thank you for all those who are my fans that watch every video. Thank you so much, and take care.